Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is all about my hair since I did my last big chop. I think that is going to be my final big chop. I mean for a good little while, okay? My hair is growing really well. I actually did this twist out with a new leave-in conditioner that I am working on. It's gonna be a mango line. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but my hair is so freaking soft. You guys that are big J.Antoinette followers, you guys are gonna love this new conditioner that I am working on. I have a little bit of tweaks that I need to do to it, but I think this one is going to be a huge hit. But this video is not about that. I decided to do that little plug. I am gonna show you guys a hair hack that I came up with. So, not gonna tell you what it is. If you wanna see what it is, continue to watch. All right, bye.
Yo no caigo en esos ojos traicioneros. Pesa, ya no hay más. Ya no me vence la presa. Y es que si quiere de esto no lo da por hecho. Entre tu toma y dame ya no queda un tiempo de prisa. No queda un tiempo de prisa. Si a mi correr no vamos, que no cueste más. Tu ritmo debemos encontrar. Ya no pido nada más que un poco de imaginación.
Guys, so you see how simple that look was? You see how simple that was? Like, dude, a mascara spoolie. Like, twist, twist, twist. And it literally took me like about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna just let this dry. I'm gonna post some pictures to the end. And yeah, simple hair hack. You saw it here first. All right, guys, until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.